500 pack dots. So that's what they're called. Where am I? Oh, right there. It's like 3D. Oh god. What's that? Oh no. Run. Yes. Power. Ah, die, you freaking ghost. It's payback. Oh god. I run back. So your goal is to go along these as long as you can. Oh my god, purple ghost to the right, left, right. Oh no. Oh no. End game. So close. I know. Yes. I got the laser. Yeah. I'm gonna try to eat or finish the goal. Eat 500. Right? Free play, no power-ups. What's that? Power-ups. Powering up Pac-Man is fun. Spend 1 credit to power up Pac-Man. Collect coins to upgrade your power-ups. Oh, so those coins credits. I thought they represented just coins. Play. Wait, takes 1 credit to play. Oh no. Wait, why are some of the blocks missing? That's weird. Oh, I love this. Yeah. Oh god, run. I'm not Superman anymore with heat vision, so I must run. Oh god. Got credit. Oh yeah. I got boss. Stay away from me. I'm Superman, not anymore. Run. Run. Yes, power pop. Boom. Boom. Run. Oh, glad that ghost was stupid. Oh, that was a lot. I like 4 ghosts. Ooh. Yes, get it. I'm chasing you now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Run. He's chasing me. What? No! I thought it would automatically move me. Whatever. At least I got 500 packouts, yeah. Yeah. Let's do this.